Hey everyone, it's Mrs. McGrath. It is day number 5. We are on November 6th of the calendar. So let's take a look at what our calendar marker is for today. It's Friday. So let's see here. Oh, all right, that was not what I was expecting at all. So it changed. Let's see, yesterday we had a nice square that was 2 by 2 and all the sides were equal, so we know it's a square. Today we have a small little rectangle that is 1 unit high and 3 units long. So 1 by 3 or 1 times 3 equals 3. And it's green, so now I'm really wondering if the pattern with colors goes blue, green, green, purple, blue, green, green, purple. So we'll have to see on Monday after the weekend what those colors are. We're going to go ahead and record our observations for today. My computer's just a little bit slow going from window to window. All right, so November 6th. I should put November 6, 2020. November 6, 2020. Oh, good gracious. We have another green calendar marker. And today we had an area model that was 1 by 3. And we had a total of 3 units. It was not a square, so I can't check that box. And we have a small rectangle. It's really interesting. Whoops. It's really interesting how they're choosing to make these area models. So I'm anxious to see what happens when we flip a few more calendar markers over. We're going to go ahead and spin our fraction spinner today. This is our last activity today, is doing the fraction spinner, recording our observations and then putting it on a number line. We have no other work with our calendar today, so kind of a nice way to end our week. Let's hope you spin something other than a 1 today. Oh my goodness, another 1. And 1/4. Alrighty. So today is 11/6, 11th month, 6th day, 1 piece, and it was a 4th. Yesterday's was an 8th. I'm not sure why that deleted. All right, so I have to put that 1/4 on our number line. So we're just going to keep adding to this document as we get more fractions. Hopefully one of these days we're going to roll or spin something other than a 1. But for now, we're just going to add that 1/4 to our number line. Extend it a little bit so that it fits on the line a little bit better. Okay, so I have a 4th and we just added another 4th. So we have to label the fraction tick marks on the bottom here. So the top is showing how many 4ths are making up 1 whole, but on the bottom we are going to count our 4ths. So I'm going to move this little fraction number over here. Maybe. Let's try it again. Just doesn't want to move. Let's see. All right, so the distance from 0 to this first tick mark was 1/4. So we can change this number here to be 1/4. And now we're going to add on. So if I have 1/4 and I add on another 4th, Now I have 2 1/4, or we can just say 2/4. So I'm going to drag over another fraction underneath this tick mark, and this is going to be our 2/4 mark. What do you think this one's going to be tomorrow? And what do you think another name for this could be? Something to think about. We'll talk about this later on when we get to those numbers. But for now, that's it for our number corner. I hope you guys have a great weekend.